I wanted to show you my seed storage before it gets any later. I'll be starting my seeds this week. So there's a million different ways to store seeds. You want to remember dark, cool, dry. So as long as you have those three things, you're going to be just fine. I started this is my third year with this box, and I just ordered 2 more because I've outgrown it. But it's a photo box. So it's just hard plastic, has the latch, everything's contained, and then there's individual boxes for each picture, for the pictures. And I just separated mine this way. These come in clear or there's rainbow. I get mine at Michael's. You never want to pay more than $15. I've seen them up to $50. $15. They go on sale all the time. I'll try to leave links with a reminder to never pay more than $15. So quick, just overview of what I have right now. I have 2 other videos up of seed hauls just from this year. And then this is the stuff that I've had. Some of this is going back 2018, I think. When you have older seeds like that, you just want to put more seeds in each cell when you go to start them. So my flowers, I have 2 for flowers, which 1 entire box will be flowers this coming year, but I didn't need it before now. So if you look on the back of your seed packet, it'll always have the date that the seeds are packed for. So these are 2019. They should still be completely fine. Zinnias, usually fine. Johnny's does not have a picture of what it will look like on their packets, but they do have it on their website. But Johnny's has the best information on the back. Anything you need to know is right there. So what do I have? I don't know if you should want to see all of the seeds in this box, but just so you get an idea of how much each can hold, kind of go through them a little bit. So what are these? I want to say, I don't even remember what these are, but a lot of these I didn't even grow last year. I ran out of time. Carnations. This ornamental grass is beautiful, and it grew perfect, and everything I got from Johnny's germinated and grew perfect, even in like the worst conditions. Larkspur, calendula. The purple Majesty fountain grass was beautiful too. It just really dark, beautiful. Snapdragons all did well from Johnny's. The lupins grew. Salvia grew. These morning glories were one of the very first things that I ever grew from seed, and it was a gift from a friend. Poppies. So now here I'm getting into, these were from 2018 from an MI Gardener grab bag. And these seeds, like I said, when you have a little bit older, you just want to put more in each cell because the germination rate will go down. And these candy striped zinnias, if you're going to grow 1 flower, I'd say let this be it. It's really, really beautiful. So that's just how I do it. This one has a lot of my other zinnias. Baker Creek has beautiful packaging. There is quite a bit of information on the back, but I think when it comes to information and the education you need, definitely Johnny's. I'm a fan of zinnias. Echinacea, bachelor's buttons, marigolds. I put marigolds, more snapdragons. I put marigolds in just about every bed I have to help with aphids. These were also gifted to me, so I got these the end of last year. So I'll be growing those this year. The pincushion mix, stock, yarrow, more calendula, lavender, and more marigolds. I mean, you see, it holds a lot. They do. I'm showing you more what they hold than what I have. If you want seed inventory, let me know. And then I just have them labeled. My tomatoes, beets, and radishes, peppers, sunflowers, peas and beans, squash, pumpkins, kale, spinach. My eggplant, broccoli, onions, and cabbage are all in one. I have melons, corn, and then like the grab bags that I got from M.I. Gardener. You know, here's my corn. But then like strawberry seeds. I would probably not. I don't know. Maybe I'll try them just to see kind of the conditions it can grow in. But I get multiples from multiple grab bags when I did it. Okra, I've never even had it here. Coffee, I know if you go over to M.I. Gardener's channel, he has like a 4 or 5-year-old coffee plant that he did with these seeds. And he's got like full videos on it. It's really cool, but I have so many. So I'll probably try to donate some of these out this year just to get through some of my own that I know I'm not going to grow. But cucumbers, lettuce, herbs, carrots. So it holds a lot. You see how many of these will hold each. So again, this is my 3rd year in it. One was fine until this year. I found a couple of new companies. So I did order a couple more just so I can separate them a little bit better for myself. But all you really need is this, a label maker or marker, and they stay safe. It's made for photos. So I'm going to link below a video. If you watched my last video, or if you're here from Heather's channel, the Kneady Homesteader, I am going to link her latest video down below. She was in a horrific, tragic accident. Her family needs all the prayers, support, and uplifting we can give her. If you can't financially donate to the GoFundMe, there is so many more things you can do. She does have a membership on her channel. Even though she's not providing content right now, she is giving updates on her conditions and things like that in her group. It's the Inner Circle group. She's still a huge, huge help in the education of preserving food, even in her condition right now. I would definitely suggest go do that. If you can, just watch her videos, binge watch. She has amazing content. She's been doing amazing things for a lot of years, helping a lot of people. So I will link her GoFundMe, her latest video down below, and the video of what she, God willing, is able to use for her seed storage this year. I love the system that she chose. I may even try it myself. So I'll link those down below. And if you want more seed videos, I do have 2 more. The last 2 videos I did were on my seeds. And if you want more seed inventory, just let me know and I'll do a video of thorough kind of what's in all of these. Next up, I'll be doing seed starting supplies that I have. I don't like to complicate it. I don't like to worry about the calendar too much. There's obviously some things you want to worry about. So next video up will be my seed starter supplies, which you don't need a lot of. So thank you for watching. Definitely check out the links down below, and I will see you next time.